Hi guys, now we have to discuss last time about the awesome online earning with our writing. Now getting paid to write, to monetize writing skills faster, consider taking a freelance job or preparing or a sponsor's post. Below you will learn how to find freelance platform blogs, looking for others or advertise to partner with. Freelance platform. You can make money writing online with freelance platform. These are the marketplaces where you can create a profile and find clients. Most platform allows you to build a portfolio and gather feedback from customers. Another advantage is the secure payments process. On the flip side, freelance platform charge fees to others, clients or both of them, so it's important to check terms and conditions. Now third way is that the blogs looking for writers. Another option to get paid to write articles is by collaborating directly with website looking for others. These are usually big platforms with a large community that publish new posts on a daily basis. For example, backpackers Bagginies accepts articles about hiking, backpacking, interesting personalities and destinations. It offers $0.40 to over $1.00 per word. Red Sky Publishing requires travel related posts and content that teaches people how to make money writing articles about travel, blogging, photography. You can earn from $50 to $200 per post. These are just a couple of examples as internet abound in blog looking for others. Number 4. Article writing services. Unlike freelancers, platform article writing services act as a mediator and have more control over projects. Your pay will be much lower than if you work directly with a client, but it is also guaranteed if there has been a problem with a client, and you will be likely to have a stable workflows as big services are more credible in customers' eyes than freelancers. Number 5. Welcome writers, editors, content strategies and translators and find them task with the help of artificial intelligence. You will get 70% of the earning with $2.8 to $7 per rate of words and 2 payouts per month. To join the community, you will need to build a profile, and pass a professionally test. There is also an extensive library of images, videos, and templates to help others deliver top-notch materials. Text Broker is another great service, offering from 0.7 cents to 5 cents per word. You can write on your own or team up with other authors for a bigger project. To start working, you will need to submit sample post, get rated, and then be able to choose projects based on your rating. Note that Text Broker accepts authors from the United States only.